Oh, I forgot to. The last time I made New Look 6914, this pattern here, I was making view E, and I think I wasn't using the correct needle because when it came time to put the buttonholes in, it totally did not work. So this time I'm making the vest again and I'm making view A. I do have a denim needle in my machine, so I think everything is going to work out just fine. I'm using this twill fabric, which is the same fabric that I used when I made Nomi 2089. So I think the vest and the jacket will pair well together. At least that's my plan, is to wear the two together. Now, because this twill is leftover fabric, I did have enough fabric for all of the pieces except for the back piece. I didn't have enough to cut it on the fold. So I cut two pieces out and then I just stitched the back down to make it one piece. This is what I'm working on at the moment. This is a very lightweight cotton. I believe it's broadcloth, if I had to guess. And I'm going to use this to line the vest. And then this is the back of the vest. And there was supposed to be a belt to go across the back. And I just decided not to put the belt or the pockets. There were supposed to also be front pockets. And I'm leaving those off. The lining is pinned to the vest. And I did make sure to leave the sides open over here and also over here on this side, so that once I attach the lining to the vest, I'll be able to pull the lining out through the sides of the vest. Okay, so the side seams are open on the front. Well, this is the back. The two front side seams are open here and also here on this side. And then in the back, I left the back side seams open also. So there are 4 open sides. And I'm going to reach through the back and pull the front through. Okay, come on. Hopefully I can do this and it won't be too hard. It's coming. I'm almost there. Side. Okay, so I have one side pulled through. Now let me do this side. So let me find the back. Let's see here. Oh, I forgot to trim my seams. Okay, never mind all this. I'm going to pull everything back out, trim my seams, and then pull everything through. Gee whiz. This is the right side of the vest. Trying to make an R. Okay. If you can see that, this is the right side This is the left side. L for left, R for right. So the buttonholes for a woman will go on the right side. The buttonholes for a man will go on the left. And I heard this before, and this is how I remember. Women are right over left, and men are left over right. So that's how I always remember it. Women are right, men are left over. So you can put the buttonholes on whichever side you want to. I am going to go ahead and put them on the right side. I don't have any buttons though. I'm going to look through the buttons that I have, but if I don't see 6 of the same buttons, I will have to go out and purchase some buttons. I am in luck. I actually found 6 buttons that are the right size. These buttons look like shells, so I don't have to go out and buy any buttons. I'm going to use these. I made a size 8 in this pattern. I didn't have any trouble with the buttonholes this time around, and this pattern is rated as easy. I have the vest buttoned under the jacket, and you can see the vest peeking out under the bottom of the jacket. I love that. I really love the way that looks. And this is how it looks in the back. So since the jacket is cropped, it does give a little extra length for coverage in the back. Here's a look with the vest unbuttoned and the jacket not fastened, and I like that look also. I think this is a nice way to wear the vest and the jacket together. Super cute. And then if I did fasten it, it kind of gives off the same look that it would if the vest was buttoned. But this is an unbuttoned vest hanging out. Actually, it looks like it hangs down a little further and it kind of spreads open instead of being together buttoned. But I like this too. So this is another way that you can wear it together. Today, I'm just gonna wear the vest open, the jacket open, just like this, with the vest hanging down, and that's it. The jacket open, not fastened, running around doing my thing. This is it. This is how I'm gonna wear this outfit today. I am loving these pieces together. My sew and make outfit of the day is this Simplicity skirt that I made from scraps with the Know Me jacket that I made recently. So I have it paired with a pair of tights, and I haven't figured out what shoes I'm wearing yet, but this is my outfit of the day. So I got dressed because I'm about to go out and do a little bit of shopping. I saw this super cute jacket in Sherpa. Zips up the front, and oh my goodness, look at the price. I have the jacket paired with a bodysuit, which is a Simplicity pattern. I went into Forever 21 to shop for someone else, but when I saw this little jacket for $20 and it's in Sherpa, I was like in love. So I'm glad I picked it up, and this is what it looks like zipped. So I love that it has pockets, it has a hood. I think it is so cute. And for $20, I just felt like that was a steal.